Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to trade futures on Plus500 Futures Trading Guide. So Plus500 is a dedicated futures trading platform. So you will see all of your futures here. So for example, you have USA, Nasdaq, and all of these here. You can trade any of these. You go on popular and see all the most popular traded contracts here. So the main futures contracts and instruments that I like to trade are these three. So we've got gold, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. So make sure you go ahead and configure your watch list and make sure you have all of the instruments and markets that you want here. So you can quickly flick through and select any of them here. So some things to note. The indicators that you have here will be applied to all of the markets. You can quickly press buy or sell here. So you can press buy, and it'll bring up this window where we can go ahead and put in the information regarding our trade. And we can view insights and information about the specific instrument that we are using. Also up here, we have all of the information about our trades and any positions here that any active positions will be here where we can edit and close very easily and fast. Or we can go to here and view the specific market and trade here very fast and easily and press close and stuff like that. So once you have put in your futures markets here, you can go ahead and set alerts here also, but then here you can go ahead and expand the window. If you have multiple monitors for your PC trading setup, you can go ahead and press this, and this will give you a dedicated tab for precisely trading the market. This will give you a dedicated tab for putting it on a separate monitor so you can trade. The way I'm trading futures right now is I brought up here, and when it got down to this lower Bollinger Band level, I will cancel that out. So let's go ahead and do that quickly. So we can minimize this and then see it here. Press close the position, and it will close the trade very easily for us. So for trading futures, go ahead and put in the indicators that you would like. I always recommend volume, and it's up to you about MACD, Bollinger Bands, or any other one. So go ahead and go up here to find your indicators. Select from the large array of different indicators that Plus500 offer. So yeah, go ahead and configure all of your indicators. And if you want to edit the indicators, you can go ahead and right click here, clear indicator, or you can edit the settings of the Bollinger Band. Up here, we can configure the specific custom time interval of the chart that we're viewing. It's important to consider the bigger picture of the chart. So if you click on 1 day, each candle will be 1 day, and you can see what it's doing in terms of different intervals. So we also have the tick option here, so we can see tick for tick what the price is doing. So every second or 3 or 4 seconds, you will see exactly if it's being brought more or sold more, which is very handy. So as you can see, it's shooting up. So there's more buyers here, as you can see. So yeah, it's a very handy tool to use. And we can go ahead and click here, change the chart type here if you'd like. So I'm going to buy here as we're at the lower Bollinger Band. So it's part of my trading style. So what you can do is either press buy up here, which brings up this window, and you can select all of it manually. Or what I like to do is select on the level here and press buy market. And then here you can go ahead and edit all of these parameters. You can set stop losses and you can drag it. So for example, I'll put that there, and then a take profit, I'll do that around here. And you can do a limit, stop loss also, and press buy, and that will engage the trade at the current price level. And to view your trade, to view your P&L quickly, you can just press minimize and view it here. So yeah, there's we can also go down to here and configure a setup so we can view everything that we want. So here we can have 3 markets side by side like this here. You can select here and press this one. We can select here and then configure this one so we can see all of them. So it's up to you. And if you want to go back to 1, press 1, and that will bring that back. So yeah, it's up to you really. You can also buy and sell at a specific limit on the market. You can also add AI instrument analysis. So yeah, I showed you all the basics of how to trade on this. It just is up to you about applying your specific indicators and implementing your specific trading style in accordance with the chart. Yeah, I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.